What's up, folks? It's Mark Lux back here at DLUX Motorsports, bringing you another video of this 2007 Jeep Wrangler. This is a Sahara. This Jeep got 3.5 inches of lift yesterday, all suspension with rough country, 4 new shocks, 4 new springs. It is a control arm kit as well, so it's fully adjustable up front for alignment. It's currently running 35 BFGs on an 18x9. Perfect daily driver Jeep. Something you could trail ride with your buddies if you needed to. It's perfect for on-road daily use. So again, the Jeep is in actually very, very good shape for the year. No rust issues. Super clean. It's still super clean underneath. Consistent with what you would want in an 07. So 5th wheel spare as well. And the Jeep is, I mean, mechanically very nice. Drive-wise, very nice. If I can get this thing open, gosh dang it. So anyway, 07 Wrangler Sahara, priced, I believe, at only around 15 grand. And like I said, it just got all brand new suspension, lift, wheels, and tires, all the goodies. So again, 2007 Wrangler. If you need more information or have any questions, call me direct, 540-898-1300. You can also check us out on the website, www.DLUX-motorsports.com.